So the traffic and lead gen boot camp's over, and pretty tired and exhausted. It's been a fantastic event here in the Crown Plaza in Heathrow, and I just wanted to thank everyone that came along to the traffic and lead gen boot camp. It's my first inaugural event, and it's been a lot of work, but I think we pulled it off. I think we did a really good event, and I think we seemed to get some awesome feedback. Everyone seemed to really enjoy the content that we put out. We had some great speakers here at the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp. We had Simon Nicholson, we had Tom Breeze, who was one of my favourites today. We had Tom Smith, we had Mark Creaser, Des O'Connor, Barry Alloway was on as well. I was on a couple of times. We had Vishal as well, and it was really good to listen to all the speakers. Hopefully I haven't missed any out, and if I have, I'm really sorry, because I'm absolutely exhausted after working at this event. But it was really great to have some of those amazing like world leading speakers on at the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp, and I just want to thank those guys, and also my team. So my girlfriend Katie and her daughter Georgia were really helpful at this event, so big shout out to them, and also all of my guys. So we had Lenny on the cameras with Richard, and we had Jamil, we had George, and we had Josh as well. So it's been good. I hope everyone that came along really enjoyed it, but the big thing is that you need to go away and you need to implement some stuff from this. There's no point just coming along to an event and not doing anything afterwards. So make sure that anything that you learnt at the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp, that you implement it afterwards, because that's what we want to hear. We want to hear from you guys. We want to hear how you've learnt stuff and been successful with it. That's the true measure of an event, really, that we can teach you guys and serve you guys, but that you implement it into your business afterwards. So that will be my takeaway from the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp. You've learnt a lot. Make sure that you implement it into your business, and we look forward to seeing you at our next event, which is the Social Selling Summit over in Heathrow in the 3rd, 4th and 5th of June coming up this year. So thanks everyone that came today. I'm off. I'm going to go home, put my feet up, and maybe have a bit of a lie-in in the morning and go into work later on tomorrow. So thanks for coming, guys. Cheers. See ya. Bye.